Welcome. In this demo, we will look at how you can easily create a Sankey diagram in Excel with SankeyArt. Here, we have Apple's latest quarterly earnings open in Excel, ready to be turned into a Sankey diagram. Sankeys illustrate the flow of resources between source and target nodes, which is how this spreadsheet is structured. You can do the same with your company's income statement. Now, let's open the SankeyArt add-in. To begin, select Create from my Excel data. Then, as shown in the add-in window, select the cells in your spreadsheet that you want to visualize. Next, click on Create and Refine. And just like that, your data is transformed into a beautiful Sankey diagram. You can see how quickly the diagram transforms the data from our source and target columns in the spreadsheet into a professional-looking chart. Our interactive diagrams are fully customizable. Want to change a node's color? Just click and pick a new one. Need to keep things on brand? Save your colors for next time. Even the title, just click, type, done. Next, navigate to the menu bar to fine-tune your labels and the layout to create a Sankey diagram that perfectly represents your data and matches your desired aesthetic. If you prefer to create Sankeys directly in the add-in editor instead of using Excel data, you can use our templates that speed up the process. Let's give it a shot with our income statement template. As we saw earlier, Sankey diagrams illustrate flow states between source and target nodes. With our templates, you can easily tweak the values in a simple spreadsheet interface and watch the chart update in real time. This live updating ensures that your diagram is always in sync with your latest data changes. Once again, you have all the customization options at your disposal to design your chart just the way you like it. Pretty easy, isn't it? Thanks for watching.